Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have a little haul from Mandy Lynn Plans. This is a $2 Tuesday plus some other seasonal items. I'm super excited about it, but not as excited as I am about the news I'm about to share with you. So I've just started PRing for Mandy Lynn Plans, which means I have a discount code for you guys. So if you enter in just10 as a coupon code at checkout, you'll get 10% off any regular priced stickers as well as $2 Tuesday stickers, which is huge. I mean, it's already a discounted sticker and then you get it additionally off. It doesn't work on subscription boxes and you can't stack it with like big Black Friday sales or anything like that. But for everyday use, it's a great discount code and I'm super excited to be able to share it with you. All right, with that being said, I figured we'd open up these new stickers and then I'd show you some of the other stickers that I have from her. This is an entire album of just Mandy Lynn stickers so that you can get an idea of some of the other things that are in the shop. Okay, I love new stickers. It's probably my #1 addiction these days. Well, okay, and fountain penning. So she always writes a really sweet note. This is handwritten by her or her team and just a super cute, like personal touch. Okay. So, all right, so there's my little note, which is super cute. And then of course I have my receipt there. So I'm going to set those off to the side. And this is one of her little cards, which is super cute as well. All right, let's dig into these stickers. So on top here, we have the freebies that she sends. So we have a stack of these smaller freebies. We get days of the week here on her transparent mat, which is really fun. We get some deco stickers. These are great for adding in little flourishes and stuff. We have some scripts that are new releases, which are always useful, especially this time of year, because I feel like the majority of the new releases, especially for planners and that kind of thing, fall around now. And then we have some quotes here. We have Still Plays with Stickers, Planner Girl, and Planner's Gonna Plan. Great for decorating, you know, especially monthly spreads or the start of a new planner, that kind of thing. Then we have some other scripts here. These are her scripts with icons, which are really, I really like them. So we have Currently Reading, MLP New Release, Important, $2 Tuesday, Planner Time, Happy Meal, Errands, and Clean Bathrooms. And the nice thing about these is you could always trim them down if you want just the icon or just the script, or say you want to have this one, but you want it to market for cleaning, not just cleaning bathrooms. You could always cut the bathrooms off, which is really nice. Ooh, this week's, I needed more of these. That's great. This is on her matte paper as well. Here are some of her icons, which are really nice. They're nice big icons, but not so big that they're overwhelming. I think they take up about a 2-hour period in My Hobonichi Cousin. And then we just have some swatches of different colors. Now, if you get enough of these, you can get, you know, all of the same color for a whole week. I may have done that in my leftover sticker book. And then over here we have her November sampler, which has all the holidays on it, as well as things like Grateful, Thankful, Blessed, and all of this really fun deco. So very functional and very appropriate because we're almost at the end of October. And so it seems very fitting to get the November one instead of an October one at this point. All right. And then she had a $2 Tuesday where she had all of her weather icons on $2 last week, and I was running low. I kept on saying I need to order more, and then she put them on $2 Tuesday, and I was like, yes, please. So I have her sunshine ones, Partly Cloudy. These are on matte, by the way. And I got 2 of the Partly Cloudy because that tends to be the one I use the most. Then I have Cloudy, and then I got Snowflakes. Oh, this goes to a kit. These are deco. Hold on. Let me set those aside for a minute. And then I got her matte versions, which are colored. So I have the suns again, the Partly Cloudy. I got 2, Cloudy, Rainy. I must have forgotten to get Rainy in the transparent matte. And then Snowflakes. And I just find these really useful. They fit perfectly at the top of my pages. Actually, hold on. Let me pull it over and I'll show you. just to give you an idea on sizing. And I do get the small version. There is a larger version, which also fits in here. I just prefer the smaller one. So this is the small, and do I have the large one in here somewhere? I think these are the larger ones. So it's not a huge difference, but there is some difference, just so you know. But they both fit in there. All right, and then I did get a couple of kits. I think I got one winter kit and one fall kit. So let's try and put them all together. I think this is part of the winter. It's winter, this is fall. And that's a different winter. Okay, so we'll start with the fall kit. I have a lot of weekly kits already, so I didn't want to get another weekly kit in the fall pattern and not use it, but I don't have much for my daily pages. And she has these really cute daily kits. So you have all the days of the week up here, and then you get washi strips for the whole week to cover up that area at the bottom. And you have checklist and dots. And it's just really fun. And you can flush it out, which she has all of these different pages. I didn't get a ton of them. I just got the deco, but you can get boxes or, you know, trackers, anything that you can think of that might go with this kit. She has a page that you can just order of that, and they're not very expensive. So I'm going to be using this probably not this next week, but the week after. And then over here, I got two different winter kits. So I'm trying to organize them a little bit here. This one goes to this goes to that. So this one I think was called like mittens, maybe? Something like that. I'll look it up and I'll put it down here for you guys. But here's the deco. So it has this cute little polar bear and the snow globe, and it has these cute mittens, and it says let it snow. Now, I was thinking of this more for probably January than for December, honestly, because I'll probably be doing Christmas things in December. But I think the deco is super cute. Then I got the matching scripts with icons in the transparent mat because I think that works really well. And you get so many different ones in here. Everything from payday and trash day to binge watch. She even has church and don't forget with the prescription bottle here. And pizza night, catch up with the laundry basket. It makes sense, and there's just about anything that you would do in a weekly spread on here, which is really nice. And then I did get the 2-page kit. So this is page 1. You get all the numbers here. You get the 2 strips, which have your days of the week. You get these really cute boxes. These are trackers, or like, these are checklists in here. Then you get a Monday through Sunday and a big checklist over here. Some square boxes. I think these are about the size of the monthly boxes in the Hobonichi Cousin. And then you have this strip which fits over, up in the corner where you have your day of the week. Hold on. All right, guys, I pulled over my planner just so I could really show you what I was talking about. So this box here matches the box that is here. So it covers up that little, monthly square that you get at the top of your Hobonichi spreads perfectly. This gives you a good example of what the days of the week stickers look like and how perfectly the circles match for her date dots in there. And then you have tons of washi. So this was from a subscription kit, which I will link above for you guys, but it gives you a good idea of how all of her fonts and everything work in here in the sizing. So you have that one. These are her trackers. I didn't order the trackers with this kit. This was from the subscription, so I had everything, but you get a good feel for the size of her different stickers in here. I also love this like mittens and the plaid that you get here, plus the little snowflakes. I just think the washi is so cute on this kit, and the colors are really pretty as well. So that was weekly kit number 1. And the other one that I got a journaling kit, which I used in my other planner. Let me pull that over. Okay, to give you an idea, and this is just a rough idea of what you can do. You can do a lot more than this with the journaling kit. This is in my content planner. So it comes with these 2 pages, which I got on the transparent mat. So you have these big torn page elements that kind of fit over, about half the week, which is really nice. This one has like the snowflakes in the trees as well as this kind of floral pattern. Then you get swatches, and I think these swatches are a little bit different than the ones that I had on here, as well as a little bit of deco. I love these little flags that she has at the top. I find them super useful. The half circles aren't as useful for me, but I love the dots on the side as well. And in this one, you get these 2 spots that are, kind of like you could layer one of these decorative little swatches on top of, and I think it would be really cute. You get this square, which is this square here, to kind of frame something. You have some smaller torn paper elements as well as a Monday through Sunday here. It's just a really good anything kit. It can go anywhere in your planner. It fits every planner, so I think it's amazing. To go with this one, I did get, this is her, I think, monthly scripts. And so I have a Monday through Sunday here, a hello weekend, this week, next week, important meals to do, and then the square date dots, which is what I showed you on one of those other spreads. And then to go with this, I also got her trackers, which I love her sleep tracker. I think this is my favorite of all the trackers that she does because it is so easy to really see in real time how things are going. Her water trackers are perfectly sized, and her days of the week it's pretty universal, but I think they're nice. And then I just got some extra labels and some checklists so I can kind of really flush it out for a weekly spread in my other planner. And that's everything that I picked up this time. Now to kind of show you a couple of other things that she has in her shop. This is from a different shop. Sorry, I forgot those were in here. But you do have circle icons you can get from there. These came in oops bags, so they are really useful. This is part of a subscription kit that I'm planning on using probably in January. I'm thinking January or February. But it is like her monthly kit, her weekly kit, and her daily kit. These are freebie trackers and other days of the week. You can get these in any color you want, that you can have them coordinate to specific kits or just in general. She has them different colorways, which we'll talk about in a minute. These were an oops bag, just washi strips that she has. And then we have more boxes here. These are some of the different formats that you can get. More boxes, more circle icons, some large deco. I think that was in an oops bag. This is her Hobonichi Weeks kit and what that might look like. I think this is only 1 page of that, and I think you can get multiple pages. Don't quote me on that though, because I haven't actually ordered any weeks, but these also work really well, especially on monthly spreads in the Hobonichi for me. This is what was left over from that sub box that I got in August. And then she has these, and I'm just going to pull one out to show you because I have them separated by colorway. But she has these really big labels that I think are super useful. So you can get the extended, so it goes over multiple days labels. You can get labels with check boxes, bigger labels, and smaller labels. And I think this was an oops that I put in here because the colorway was close enough. But she has all these different, just standard colorways. Like this one, I want to say is sunset, but don't quote me on that. So you have this colorway, and then this one I think it's more of a fall colorway, and I want to say it was like Grand Canyon or something. And then you had the blue colorway, and I think this is the one that matches the colorway that those, the summer bouquet maybe colorway, so it would match this. So if you had some of these and this and a little bit of deco, you could totally make a spread. And then she has this purple. I think there's a few other colorways that I don't have stuff from, but that gives you a good idea. This is one of her, I think, dashboard pages for a different sized planner. I think it looks like it's a Wonderland 222 maybe. And same here, this was part of a dashboard kit, another dashboard kit. This is the cousin size, July cousin size dashboard. This was, it looks like a Wonderland 222B6, probably a monthly kit. A lot of those were from Oops Bags because I'm kind of addicted to Oops Bags. This is an any month kit. And then I have these days of the week, which I'm really looking forward. This isn't for a Hobonichi cousin, but I'm going to use it in my cousin because I think it's going to work really well. And then these are the days, and this I think is going to be great for January as well. And then we have some Christmas stuff here. I think these were different size planners, so I'm going to experiment with them. I got them in the Oops Bag. I got this actually in an Oops Bag. A lot of times you'll get lots of pieces of the same kit, which makes it really easy to expand things out. I have a September kit for a Wonderland 222. This is a cousin kit for January, probably a dashboard. This is an October Wonderland 222 and a December, which I might use this one in December. I haven't decided yet. But that kind of gives you an idea of some of the different formats and stickers that she has. Like I said, you can use that 10% discount to get a lot of different things. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you go over and check Mandy Lynn out. She's amazing, and I really think she's an awesome person. So I'm excited to be supporting her. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you real soon.